mga tita sa Sitio Manalo. No, sponsored by my pinakagwapo nga igagaw nga sunod-sunod ra ko ato pero gwapo gamay ko ana ano. Tuadad to sa Layong Dapit. Ayan po mga kapatid, no? Eto nagsisimula na po. Gipakitaan na Badang by Butod. Oh. Palag mag 2012 kanya Butod ragya pero itawag sim. Please don't forget to share our live stream, guys. Ugmang gabi natay 2 matches. Ulat lang mo sa announcement later on. Hali day karon may ka mag shoutcast ugma. Alright, magsisimula na po yung laban dito, guys. Play between the Sir Ryan Champs versus Team Bugwak Sikma.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Alright, eto na po yung laban, guys. Kakasimula lang po. So this is our first match. Ryan Amulo with Mask. Just lang. And we have Nana from nangita po pangalan, di makukarito ana. Dr. M and 2012. Walang iba kundi Aulos and sa gining hero Badang. On the other side naman sa Team Bugwak, we have Simple as Beatrix together with Gohan as Minotaur and Jay as their Fredren, and the mid lane si Fire X19, and we have Bad Boy. Walang iba kundi si Sun. Uyaw ko strategy gipaulay-lahi gamay ang mid lane ba. I-shoutout ko, guwapa kay ko. Yes, pinaka-guwapa ang Laia. Oba Manalo. Ayan po mga kapatid, nagsisimula na. Nag-invade na dito si Jay, parang delikado. Paagawan ba with Gohan dito, sumama pa. Oy, delikado kay dito si Dr. Emidaka na napakasutoy-sutoy. With the fucking retry, nakuha nga yung retry. What a play kami para Jay. At dito Ryan, what a perfect rotation kami para Ryan. And there's a first blood. Grabe, Ryan. Brindo na, ha? Sheesh! May tinatagong galing. No, kuyaw ni mga bataan, no? Alright, shoutout nga pala kay Sir Ryan Jaog sa iyong mga players, no? Mga butan kayong mga bata. Mga kugihan pa yun. And of course, kini pong Team Bugwak, mga kugihan po rin mga bata, no? Eto na, the first blood, guys. Parang medyo nadidelay dito yung ating, sino namatay nga? Si Minotaur ba to? Si Fredren. Oo nga. Medyo na-delay dito yung ating, of course, from the side of Team Bugwak. But the problem on the rotation of our Dr. M, medyo malayo siya for the turtle. And then, since nag-Krusty Krab pa, it will take time to walk around. And eto na, parang natrap si Fire X19. In trouble ba? What a perfect flicker out. Eto, the battle of the turtle po. Ilalabas ba lahat dito ng talent dito ni Ryan, and dito dumaan Bad Boy, what a perfect rotation coming from their XP lane, and eto tumulong when an ultimate coming from our Aulos Dr. M. Makuha man nila yung turtle, guys, pero what a play, walang inabutan doon, walang namatay for both side, and doon what a play coming from Butod. Naigo ang illusion, ato tong isave nga replay. Fish! Ariel lang sa kalam. In trouble dito si Butod, parang Gidokol, Ariel! Nagkamali ka ng ultimate! Kuwang-kuha sa CCTV ni Kuya Vance! Pwede natin tignan yan sa instant replay. Makuha man nila yung turtle, guys, pero what a play! Walang inabutan doon, walang namatay for both side. And doon! What a play coming from Butod! Naigo! Ayan po, Baytrex against Smash. Moscow, Brian. Kuyaw ni sila, naana sila coordination, guys, no? Naana sila coordination. Ang atong Sir Ryan Champs, the problem lang, kinilang isa. Mauto siya na pandul, guys, kaya ano, napiang man Balda man tiil. And the top lane Mas will goes down. And Jay, Fredren, what a perfect play. SS ultimate dito, tatlo tinamaan doon. What a play coming from our Ryan. And look at the life of the 3 heroes. Mamamatay ba dito si Rice still alive? Double kill coming from Dr. M. Rodel Marie. Sheesh! Hinahabol pa dito. Simple. And that's a triple kill, mga kapatid. Sheesh! Grabe, kakaiba yung execution coming from Ryan Amulo. No, hinarap yung tatlo, hindi natakot mamatay. Para lang maka-ultimate for a perfect set. Tatlong nakuha doon. And delikado pa dito. Fire X, easy get out lang po. 16. 14 seconds lang. Eto, bad boy pumasok. Kakaiba, magaling talaga si Rodel Mari. Up na po yung turtle. Shoutout nga pala ka Jessa May Villas, Miasco, Will Daniel, Miasco. Hoy, Team Wilding 1. Kamu ang next game, ha? Ayun, pumasok, what a play coming from Ariel Rakal. That's a good set. Pumasok din si Rhea Namolo. A perfect kill for Bad Boy. And Dr. M double kill. He's doing it, guys. Sinahabol pa dito. Jay is in trouble. What a play. Shot. Flame shot coming from Mr. Jumer Bungkales. Sheesh! Hindi basta-basta yung player ng si Ryan Champs. Eto guys, no? Basin ka pang absent po ng uban ani. Agduwa na lang, no? Dili pod ayaw pod anga oy maipit man ta ana. So what a play coming from Ariel Rakal. That's a good set. Pumasok din si Rhea Namolo. A perfect kill for Bad Boy. And Dr. M double kill. He's doing it, guys. Sinahabol pa dito. Jay is in trouble. What a play. Shot. Nako, pamamatay doon. Napakatindi yung damage coming from Dr. M. Checking on the item right now, guys. We have already with Topper and a Demon Hunter coming from Aulos. On the top lane, delikado. Nakakuha man siya ng kill kay Bad Boy. Pero mamamatay din Ryan sa top lane. Aulos fighting back against Jay. Delikado ata dito si Dr. M. Papalaba against the 3 enemy heroes. He will go down. Bullet shower and finishing touch coming from Jay. Sheesh! Eto na mga kapatid. Nasa likod, delikado ata si Mas. If the tower will go down, eto, papasok na ito si Jay. Hindi, sir. Checking on the mid lane, hindi pa pumupunta doon to help his teammate. Parang maipit yung ni sir. Oy. 5 seconds for the turtle and almost, dalawang turtle na. Wala, tag-isa. Eto na, the third and last turtle po, Mas. Checking on the side. Papunta na din dito si Rodel Mari, Dr. M. What a retry, guys! Nakuha ni Dr. Mari pero parang in-trouble siya dito. What a perfect set. Tatlo na naman coming from Ryan Amulo. And there you go, Dr. Mari get the J. Going down. Team Bugwak in trouble. Tatakbo si Fire X19. He will goes down by Mask. This Blade of Distraction. Grabe, sir! What a play! Murag maipit ang Team Bugwak ani bay. Anga oy. Di palabas na basa yung team ng Team si Ryan Champs, mga kapatid. Pero ito, on the percentage, it's only 60%. Pero pa laban. Oy, what a perfect flicker ultimate coming from Buwan. But the follow-up coming from Simple. Lumayo. Natakot si Angkol mo. The bullet shower is late. Sayang yon, kuya mo. Naka-normal hit sana siya. And now, Bad Boy is in trouble. He will go down. Ayun, nakakuha pa ng kill yung ating kaibigan, kundi si Simple. Sheesh! Ganda sana yung pasok doon ni Mr. Gohan. But the problem, super delay magkini akong live stream. Oy, shoutout nga pala kay Sir Ryan. Sir Ryan Baldovino. Sir, salamat sa let your players to play, no? Murag winning imong team diri sa sugod, pero I don't know if sa end ani kung mahuman nilag dayo. And Gohan's in trouble, mamamatay. Grabe yung damage coming from Mask. Sheesh! Eto, hinahabol na naman ni Dr. M. Papalayo doon, pumasok doon sa ultimate yung ating kaibigan Fire X. Not enough damage po. Laban lang coming from Sir Ryan. Eto, the Lord, this is the first Lord. And on the map, kitang-kita naman, both team are down with 3 towers at saka 2 towers nga pala. So advantage ng tower down here on the side of the team Ryan Jumps. Ito. They will try to invade here for the purple buff. Since walang purple buff dito si Dr. M, malaking bagay to. Titignan natin. Oh, what a perfect set coming from ating kaibigan si Ariel Racal. But the problem, natakot siya. Nag-flicker out. Kayang-kaya sana yun. And there's a perfect set coming from Buwan. Tatlo naman din naman doon. And there you go. Ryan na naman. Amulo. Kinuha yung tatlong kalaban doon eh. Mga essential hero. Double kill. Triple kill. Jumer Bungales is doing it. Sheesh. We can watch the replay. Ay, what a perfect set coming from ating kaibigan si Ariel Racal. But the problem, natakot siya. Nag-flicker out. Kayang-kaya sana yun. And there's a perfect set coming from Buwan. Tatlo naman din naman doon. And there you go. Ryan na naman. Amulo. Kinuha yung tatlong kalaban doon eh. Mga essential. Atik-atik ba na pa rin? Oy, another ultimate coming from 2012 pero hindi siya pinansin ni Bad Boy. Bad Boy might be in trouble. And that's it. Uy, one shot na lang ang call. And nandito si Guan to help it out, guys. A perfect rotation coming Gohan para tulungan yung kalaban. Pero delikado ka dyan, Mr. Dr. M. Pero alam ni Dr. M, andun yung mga kalaban nag-aantay lang, sir. Eto na, this is it. Papasok ba dito yung team ng ating Team Bugwak? Ayun, ang ultimate right away. Firefox 19. And ang sniping coming from Simple. No damage at all. And we can check on their item. Ayun na, mga player. Ay! Delikado dito, Mr. Ariel. And there's a perfect set na naman coming from Ryan Namulo. Grabe na naman to. Ryan is doing it na naman ito. Yung mga essential hero, hinahawakan talaga ng tank. Pero buhay na buhay dito si Jay. Kumuha man siya ng dalawang kill. Sheesh! Eto yung problema dito on the team ng Team Ryan Champs, guys. Mr. Bad Boy. Gumagalaw na dito. The Rat Gaming. Split pushing lang ang laban ang ginagawa dito ni Mr. Bad Boy, no? Eto yung mahirap. Sana ginawa na lang nila. Kinuha na lang yung Lord dito on the side of the Team Ryan Champs para may mayroong mag-help sa kanila mag-push. Eto na. This is it. A hard part, naka-stabilize, and we have an ultimate coming from Bad Boy. Pumasok si Dr. M, hindi natatakot, ultimate right away. And there you go, ultimate coming from Padang. Gohan is down. Advantage dito ng isang hero. Retry guns, yes, what a perfect retry. Coming from Dr. M. Sheesh! Eto na, this is their chance to push. Eto yung advantage dito for the team ng Team Ryan Champs. Sir Ryan Champs, guys, since meron na silang Lord. And the item dito, you can check naman on the gold advantage on the side of the Team Sir Ryan Champs. Meron silang 5k gold advantage on this match. And malaking-laking bagay na yon for the items on each players. Rodel Idol, pag manalo kayo, may premyo kayo kay ating Lovely. Woohoo! Alak ka diha, manggigil lang, maka-uniform, di silang kalit. Delikado, Bad Boy. Naipit yun siya ni Anga, oy. Igukod ni Ryan. Wait, pinaslide-slide. Power slide. Wala man. On the top lane, nagdagandagan lang si Rodel Marie. Eto na. The tower is down. This is a 3 versus 4. Papasok pa dito yung ating Mr. Uy, killing spree. Oh, lalo, di ko napansin. Nasa mid lane lang pala. Checking on the item on the core. Dr. M meron ng Berserk Fury and War Axe together with a Malefic Roar. Complete item na si Mr. Rodel Marie. And the Lord is down. 1 tower na lang naiwan dito sa mid lane. On the side naman sa Sir Ryan Champs, isa na lang po. Hindi pala basta-basta tong team ng Sir Ryan Champs. The coordination of both players are insane. Sheesh! Pero it's not yet over. Pumapalag pa naman dito. They will try to find a way on the side of the Team Bugwak on how they're going to handle the ultimate coming from Tigreal, which is si Ryan, together with an ultimate coming from Badang and Aulos. And not to mention also ang ato ang nana, no? Ang dami yung item ni Wana, no? Sakit na, naka-necklace, glowing wand, together with immortality and the lightning. Oy, shoutout sa Chicken Moon na Game Farm. Shoutout na kay Marlo Dadang. What's up, Blue Team? Logi sa push. Oy, Jan Rusty Flores. What's up? Oo, eto yung problema dito. If talagang keep on doing yung ginagawa ni Mr. Badboy, the Rat Gaming pushing, guys, mahihirapan sila. No? Pag hindi na mahahanapan ng paraan on the side of the Team Ryan Champs on how they are going to handle the Rat Gaming of this Sun God, si Bad Boy. And I think kailangan nang kunin dito yung Lord kasi the Rat Gaming, both side, dalawang heroes, the Fire X19. Eto, hahabulin. Makaigo pa. Oy, napsap Nancy ang pulmo, naiipit yun siya. Pero gisok lang, sakit niya pong damage. Ang ultimate, shish! Dagan call, ay glingi call. Eto na si Sun. Magtitipi ba? Nag-waiting lang po. Eto na. The engagement ring. Rodel, hinahanap ni Mr. Badboy dito. Papalag dito si Rodel. Dr. M. Gohan. Pumasok one push coming from Musk. Ito yung problema coming from Gohan, guys. Hindi siya makaset ng proper because of the skills. Oh, an ultimate coming from 2012. Ariel Racal is doing it. Nakuha yon kay Mr. Badboy. Eto na, mag-relax at nag-shout ka. Sa hindi kinato parabian yan. Kuraan yung kapagawa niyo. Wa pa galita. Wa pa takatunga. Nagsugod pa lang na pagaw ng Kuya Vance. Oh. Kita taglain shoutcaster pohon. Magkwanta. Mag-invite. Mag-train ta. Mag-train. Charot. Oh, shoutout nga pala, Barm Garcia GM. What's up? Watching right now, guys, huh? From the team Wielding version 1. Eto na. On our game, guys, 16 minutes na. Humahabol na dito ang ng item yung team Bugwak. Ito yung mahirap, guys, no? Pero meron tayong Lord, hindi sinamahan ng mga players. Ayun, what a perfect set coming from Ryan Amulo, dalawa tinamanod, and then pumasok yung bandang natin. Pero look at the damage coming from the bullet shower on our Baytrex. Kinain yung mga bullet shower dun, pero double kill coming from Mas, nasa likod lang. Sheesh! Tatlo na lagas on the team Bugwak, and still, kompleto yung team, ayun, tumumba si Ryan. Oy, thank you so much for the 99 stars coming from Sir Ryan. Sir Ryan Well, thank you so much. Grabing support sa young team. Thank you for the 99 stars. Para sa team niya nga, nakita yun go winning Mudaogay. And eto na, bullet shower ultimate. Tatapusin na ba dito ng Team Ryan Champs for the first game? Nakuha ng Team Ryan Champs yung panalo sa first game natin on our first match. Itignan natin sa second game nila, babawi ba yung Team Bugwak?
Subscribe.